This top freezer refrigerator by GE has a fresh food capacity of 15.4 and a freezer capacity of 5.4 for a total capacity of 20.8 cubic feet. It features a stainless front with the signature GE logo and 2 stainless handles. Inside the refrigerator are front-mounted controls, LED lighting, and 3 glass shelves. 2 are spill-proof and adjustable. 1 is stationary. Below the shelves are 2 crisper drawers. On the door is the dairy compartment and 3 full-width storage shelves. The bottom shelf is extra deep for gallon storage and removable. In the freezer is 1 spill-proof adjustable glass shelf, the temperature controls, and 2 fixed storage shelves on the door.